I have supercharged my digital notes, and I've become a pro note taker, and I'm going to teach you how. I'm a computer science major, love math, love computer science, love code, love learning. So you might be thinking like, oh, you work a lot in a digital workspace, right? Yeah, and so I hate written notes. I don't hate it. There's value to it, but it's inconvenient to me. When I'm working at a fast pace, I love learning too, so I'm always learning things all the time. I need to supercharge it. I need my workflow to really support this. I need a framework to help me out. And this is how I do it. Obsidian. Not only that, linking your thinking. Check out Nick Milo linking your thinking on YouTube. It's going to help you a lot. So I have a vault. Obsidian is a file management system, all marked down, meaning it's all just plain text files essentially. Now, let's check this out. It has the power to allow you to view your notes, view images, view PDFs, view code, view LaTeX, which is mathematical syntax, and not only that, it is like Wikipedia in the sense that you can link to other notes, like how Wikipedia can link one topic to another topic. So for example, I can link computer science. This is just another plain text file, but I've connected it to so many different courses. Computer science, for example, I have courses that I've taken. I can check out functions. I can check out recursion, and these are my notes. I post the slides and then take notes post lecture. You have a file or a folder system to check out. You create this yourself, so you create your own personalized workflow if you really want. You have your own folder system to check out all your notes right here. You can have tables. You can have data view, which is a way to really query all your notes and see how you can sort them and personalize them in that way. So this is a big knowledge management system, and I say you should go check this out immediately if I haven't attracted you already. You can take notes in math, and that's something that I do. For example, infinities and cardinality. Here is a ton of math notes here, and you can personalize these however you want. You can personalize a theme. I personally use this theme. I think it's a beautiful theme. It is appealing to my eyes, and I have this synced in the cloud to my laptop. I'm using my PC right now, so that's another thing. I'll never lose it, and it does not take much space. Let's open the graph view again, and yeah, these are all my notes. And if you look at that one video, I had a lot less notes, so this is proof that this has really helped me. And you can animate it. Look at all the tags, how they relate to each other, really make notes and supercharge your thinking, create new ideas, allow you to really learn. And this makes me enjoy learning. And so if you think this would help you, please check it out. Please download it. It's probably worth your time. See you guys.